Chào mừng quý vị và các bạn đã quay trở lại với kênh YouTube của NVT Football Game. Và ở video ngày hôm nay thì chúng ta cùng đến với trận đấu online giữa hai câu lạc bộ, đó là FC Thanh Hóa và câu lạc bộ NVT Football Game. Trên màn ảnh của mọi người là hai câu lạc bộ sẽ thi đấu trong ngày hôm nay. Với NVT Football Game với trang phục màu đỏ sọc đen và FC Thanh Hóa với trang phục màu vàng đen. Và bây giờ thì chúng ta cùng đến với trận đấu trong ngày hôm nay.
This Dream League live match is taking place. They're both strong teams, but who will come away victorious?
Well, we've just got the team sheets in. Let's see how they'll line up.
The manager's decided to go for a 4-1-2-1-2 formation, an unconventional formation which can be deadly when used properly.
And here is the away team formation.
So we're off. Which way will this game go? Now Lukaku. Perfectly executed. Confident pass. It's Messi with the ball. Good distribution.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper. They'll be delighted with that. What a goal. The manager will really be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
Here's
And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? And they've equalised.
Solid strike there, never in doubt.
Here's Insigne. Great patience here. That's good link-up play.
And it's Ronaldo.
Can he finish it? Oh, my word, what a finish!
Just what they needed. A great goal.
Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that'll give them some momentum for another goal. Oh, really good passing now. They've won it back. Here's Varane. Here's Mane.
Oh, awful challenge. Here's Ronaldo.
What a chance!
What a finish.
The manager will really be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
Half-time then. Will we get as much action in the second half?
It's 3-1, lots of goals, but can the losing team take control of this second half? Good ball. Surely now!
Now that's a delightful finish. 2 goals today from this exciting player.
Here's Insigne. They've won the ball back again. He's cut it back inside. And tackled well by Varane.
Lovely bit of skill there.
Here's Mane. Courtois has got it now.
Wan-Bissaka. They're moving the ball about so well. Oh, confident defending. Modric. He's headed the ball forward.
Good possession. Oh, it's a clear chance. And that's his third, a great hat-trick. And his teammates will join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. The refs sent him off. It's a red card.
Here's Van Dijk. Here's Mane.
Passed well.
Confident pass.
That's nicely played. Oh, shocking challenge.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
That's into the side netting. Goal kick.
Let's see that one again. A short goal kick there.
Và video của mình cũng xin được kết thúc tại đây. Hẹn anh em ở các video tiếp theo. Để anh em mình thấy video này hay, hãy để lại cho mình xin một like, một subscribe.